Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I've had a request from Jean for a crocheted granny mandala pillow. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Carry this yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Work 15 triple crochet in the ring. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn and pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So go ahead and make 15 triple crochet in the ring. Okay, I worked 15 triple crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, find that first chain 3 and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 3. Now you can pull that yarn end and close the center like that. Chain 2, 1, 2. In this row, I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch, so I've chained 2, and I'm going to make one more double crochet in that stitch. And I've sort of done it behind that front loop because I'm going to have those showing all the way around. Now in every stitch, make 2 double crochet. So 1. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. 1 and 2 all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, find that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join. And I have 32 double crochet. For the next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's going to take the place of a double crochet and a chain 1. Double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch. In the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet like that, and that's a V-stitch. So you're going to repeat that all the way around. Skip, make a V-stitch in the next stitch, double, chain 1, and a double. Okay, repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 3. And that's how that looks. And that is the center section of the pillow. Now I'm going to work this row, and I changed colors for that row. And I'm going to attach my yarn in the center of any V-stitch. Pull that yarn through, lock it in, and that takes the place of the first stitch, so I will only chain 1 more. So that's the equivalent of chain 2. Make 2 more double crochet in that same stitch, 1 and 2, like that. And now all the way across the row, in every chain 1 space, the center of the V-stitch, I'm going to work 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So in every chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And I'm going to work 1 more row in this same color. And in this row, I'm going to be working in the spaces between these 3 double crochet. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to turn, and I'm going to work 3 double crochet in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. And that will be the equivalent of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, because that chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet. So now all the way around, in the space between the 3 double crochet clusters, I'm going to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I go to this next space, and I'm going to work 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So work all the way around, making 4 double crochet in the space between each of the 3 double crochet clusters. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And that is this section. And now you can see I went back to my original color. So I'm going to go back to blue. There's my 4 double crochet cluster. I'm going to attach my yarn in the center between the 2nd double crochet and the 3rd double crochet. So pull my yarn through, and I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, because I'm going to work triple crochet in this row. And this was 4, so this row is going to have 5. So 5 triple crochet. So that's number 2, because this took the place of the first triple crochet. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so 5 triple crochet in the center of the 4 double crochet of the previous row. So I'll go right to the next one, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to work right here between the 2nd and the 3rd, and I'm going to make 5 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so work all the way around, making 5 triple crochet in the space between the 2nd and 3rd double crochets. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, you're going to find your first chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch to join. And I'm going to work one more row in this color. And this was 5 triple crochet, so the next row is going to be 6 triple crochet, and they're all going to be worked in the space between these 5 triple crochet clusters. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and because it'll be easier to work in that, I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to work 6 triple crochets in the space. Okay, so that's 6 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in the space between the 5 triple crochets of the previous row. So now I'm going to go directly over here, and I'm going to work the next one, and then in every space all the way around I'm going to work 6 triple crochets. So yarn around the hook twice, go right over to the next space, and work 6 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like that, 6 triple crochet in the space between the 5 triple crochets of the previous row. There was my last 6 cluster, and I found my first chain 3 and I slip stitched to join. And I'm going to join my color between these clusters of 6. So I'm going to pull my yarn through and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And this row had 6 triples, and so this row is going to have 7 triples crochet. So 7 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 triple crochets in each one of these spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to go directly over to the next space and I'm going to make 7 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so make 7 triple crochet in every space between the clusters of the previous row. And so I have 1, 2, 3 and a corner. So between every corner I have 3 clusters. So I'm going to start here, and this is going to be my first corner. So I'm going to attach my yarn in the very first stitch of that cluster, and I'm going to lock it in, and that will take the place of the first chain. And this is going to be a triple crochet, so that's 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make a triple crochet in the next stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch, and this is the center stitch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In this stitch I'm going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, and a triple and a triple. And that's going to turn my corner. Those 5 doubles in the one stitch are going to make a nice corner. So every corner will be worked exactly like that. And then every one of these clusters between the corners will all be worked the same. So it'll be a triple crochet and a double, and then 3 slip stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and then in the remaining 2 stitches a double and a triple. So then I'll work right directly into the next one, make a triple and a double, 3 slip stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and then a double and a triple. So you're going to work all the way around, make a corner in every corner, and then work this sequence in each of the clusters that are between the corners. When you have completed one whole side, that's how it will look. There's a corner and there's a corner, and it starts beginning to straighten out your rounded lines. So you're just going to repeat that all the way around. And then after that, you'll work some rows of double crochet, and it will be 1 double crochet in every stitch. I'm just going to join this to show you. So it'll be 1 double crochet in every stitch, until you reach the center stitch of those 5 stitches in the corner, and that's this stitch here, and you're going to work 5 double crochet in that stitch. 4 and 5, and then continue around 1 double crochet in each stitch. Like that, and you'll work as many rows of this double crochet in every stitch, 5 in every corner, until your square is the size that you need it for your pillow form. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet a granny mandala pillow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.